In this video, I'm going to explain how to get state or county boundaries using the Tiger dataset. The Tiger dataset includes various geopolitical boundaries within the United States. So, for example, they have boundaries on states, they have roads, counties, census blocks. There's a lot more that you can explore here. I'm going to first use this state dataset. This is the 2018 release. We can very quickly look at the table and how it organizes its data. So the important one that we're going to want here is called name. I'm going to import this and I'll name it Tiger States. If you're not quite sure how this data set will look or present its data, one way to really quickly just visualize it is just by adding it to the map and then using the inspector tool. So let's just try to pick out the state Utah today. So I clicked on the state of Utah, and then it says there's one feature here, and we can look in its properties. There's a property again called name, and that is equal to Utah. So now we can use that information to filter the metadata of the Tiger States dataset to specifically call out Utah. So I'll create a variable called Utah. And then within that Tiger States dataset, I will filter, and then I'll use this filter equals to function and say the name that we are interested in is Utah. Now, when we add this to the map, it should just give us Utah. This is great if you have a project where you are using a specific state and you don't want to manually draw a polygon around that state. It's much more accurate to just pull the geopolitical boundary from this Tiger dataset. You can do the same thing with Tiger counties. So let's import the 2018 Tiger counties dataset. I'll name these the states and then counties. So I'm going to start off by adding to the map the Tiger counties dataset, and then I'm going to filter it by the bounds of that Utah boundary that we just got. Here it should only provide us counties that are in Utah or touching Utah. So you can see here that we have the boundaries of counties, not just within Utah, but also that border Utah. Let's say I want to pick out this county in Utah. So I can use the inspector tool to click on the county that I'm interested in. So let me click here, and in this layer 3, I can go down to properties and see that the name of this county is Summit County. So we could use this name property and make it equal to Summit like we did before, but there may be multiple counties in the United States that are called Summit County. Therefore, when we are using the county dataset, it's much safer to use this GeoID property instead, because this will give us a unique identifier for the county for the entire United States. I'm going to copy this GeoID, and then I will create a variable called Summit. From the Tiger counties dataset, I will filter using the filter equal to, and here instead of name, I'll put GeoID, and then I will put the number that I copied. Let's add this to our map, Summit, and it should just give us Summit County. I'm going to also get rid of the data sets showing all the states and all the counties. And let's make sure that we just have Summit County, Utah. And it looks like we do.